What is the best Italian dish ever that only takes a few ingredients? Fresh sage, crispy prosciutto, and thinly sliced veal. Did I mention we're going to top it off with a lemon butter wine sauce that you're never going to forget? Let's learn how to make veal saltimbocca. Hey friends, welcome back. Vince here. Today I'm going back to my roots to teach you one of my favorite Italian dishes of all time. Today we're going to be making veal saltimbocca. So saltimbocca originated in Rome and it is one of my absolute favorites. So it takes sage, prosciutto, veal. You can actually substitute chicken if you can't find veal. You make a little lemon butter wine sauce. It's amazing, guys. Friends, if you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week. So if you're lucky, you might be able to find this dish at a fine dining Italian restaurant. Today I'm going to show you to make it even better for less than half the cost. So what's so elegant about this dish is, while it's delicious and complex and has so many delicious flavors, it's super easy to make and only takes about 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, enough with the talking. Pour yourself a glass of wine and let's get started. Alright, so the first step to making a perfect saltimbocca is making sure that your veal or chicken is perfectly thin. When you buy veal at your market, you want to look for the thinnest cut that you can get. After that, you want to make it even thinner. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our veal between two pieces of saran wrap. And then we're going to come in and we're going to pound it out even thinner. Now take your time here. We want our meat as flat as possible. We're looking for veal so thin that it stretches out past the ends of our dinner plate. Next, take that paper-thin veal and place your fresh sage across it using 3 pieces for each slice of veal. After that, grab the best prosciutto you can find and place it on top of your bottom 2 layers. Alright, so this is where I switch it up a little bit from the traditional method. Right here, typically, people like to actually put the sage on top and then put a little toothpick in. I'm a little bit different because I love, and I mean love, the flavor of the prosciutto. So what I like to do is I like to do a fold like this, a fold like this, and a fold like this. And what you're left with is a little veal pocket of goodness, baby. Now we're going to fold our saltimbocca like a brajol, 1 slice at a time. If you're making this for multiple guests, I recommend 2 to 4 pieces per person, depending on their appetite. That San Daniele prosciutto is looking so delicious, I'm ready to eat already. Look at that, baby. Line them all up, and then it's time for our flour. Alright, now that we got our saltimbocca wrapped up, it's time to dredge it in our seasoned flour. I just got a little salt and pepper and flour right here, and we're just going to give it a good coat. Make sure to flour your saltimbocca liberally. Then get a cast iron pan scalding hot. One by one, place your little bundles of joy into your cast iron. Give them a few minutes on the first side, just enough time for the prosciutto to crisp up perfectly. After about 4 minutes, or once you see a nice crispy layer on the bottom, you're going to flip them over 1 piece at a time. And this is why I like to roll my saltimbocca like a brajol. You get that amazing crispy prosciutto all around the outside in each and every bite. Now once your saltimbocca is about 80 to 90% of the way cooked through, you're going to deglaze your pan with some white wine. We're also going to add in a couple of tablespoons of butter and some fresh lemon juice to make a gravy-like sauce. The flour here is going to help thicken it up a little bit. Now I like to give my saltimbocca a little bit of time in the sauce, flipping it a few times to make sure it's coated perfectly. And then it's time to serve. Finally, we're going to take our pan sauce, lemon, wine, butter, the drippings from the veal. You can even spoon some of this delicious sauce right on your side, whether it be mashed potatoes, green beans, whatever it may be. And that's how you make perfect saltimbocca. All right, folks, let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. We got our beautiful saltimbocca with a side of green beans. I'm just going to get right to it. So it's going to be sticky, salty. See how we did. Oh, man. The lemon and the butter mixed with the prosciutto and the veal, and of course a little hint of sage. And the reason why you don't salt the veal is the prosciutto already has a ton of salt in it. So, and I'm telling you, green beans just go perfect with this. And honestly, this is almost assuredly my favorite way to use sage. I can't think of a dish that utilizes sage better in a more simplistic but elegant way. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.